Deciding to move to Southeast Asia to retire or live long term is still a pretty good idea. The same sort of benefits exist for those who want to invest here as to those who want to live here. You know, it's cheaper to build, it's cheaper to maintain. When things, you know, occasionally do need replacing or repair. What sometimes happens though is the people that are here long term, they're thinking that they're going to end up with the same type of quality home that maybe they lived in their home country. And oftentimes that's not the case with how construction is done here in this area. Depending on your builder or your contractor, if they're not an experienced builder or contractor who has a long-term track record of high quality builds for whatever budget you're in, then you stand a good chance of having a contractor bring you a great budget, but actually a poor quality build. And that's not something that you're going to know until you're well into the construction phase, or worst case scenario, after you've been handed the keys, and then 6 months later you find out, oh, I have to start replacing major parts of my buildings. So that's something that you need to watch out for and plan for and try to protect yourself against, preferably before the building starts. We have sort of this idea that if we purchase something that's expensive, it's going to be a quality product. And in a lot of cases in our home countries, that's true. But here in this area, just because we're buying a product that would be expensive in our home country, but it's much more affordable here, that doesn't actually mean that we're going to be getting the quality of installation for that product. In many cases, the guy who is installing your high-end marble countertops is also the guy who was digging the foundations just 3 or 4 months earlier. Most of the construction that goes on from start to finish is with the same crew. That you only want to build something once. When you have to come back and retrofit things or completely demolish and build things again, obviously, you know, costs begin to skyrocket. Simply retrofitting a building that wasn't properly reinforced to start with, it could be minimum 50% of the original cost of your building. If your roof is not installed properly, it could mean, you know, a total loss of all your interior finishings after you've moved in. You know, when you move in during the summertime, it's nice and warm out, it's cool, the weather's wonderful. Then rainy season starts and you go away for another holiday somewhere else, or maybe you're just the investment part of your building and now it's rainy season and your building's empty for 3 or 4 weeks and no one's there actually saying there are liters per day pouring into the upstairs bedroom. Being there through various stages of construction, we're there to look for future problems. The outcome of contracting with us means that when your build is finished, it's going to meet the expectations of what you had to start with. Throughout the building process, maybe things are going to be altered and there could be some changes, but we're there to help you along the way to understand what is possible and what is not possible given budgets, materials, and manpower that might be on your job. What you can expect is that there's not going to be ongoing long-term maintenance problems that many people who end up retiring here or investing in the area actually start to incur very soon after their build is finished. Do you need help with deciphering building practices in Bali? Ganesha New Worldwide is a solutions company with over 50 years of combined experience that can help you and your contractor build better, faster through construction quality control consultancy and total project management. As a construction consultancy company, Ganesha New Worldwide provides actionable recommendations to streamline construction processes. Contact us and see how our quality control consultancy can help protect your investment of both time and money.